会。我现在正在愿美人，和全体船员一起工作、学习、生活。此时此刻，我和全体船员正在驾驶左翼甲板。我的上方就是愿美人船名。借此福茂集团成立60周年之际，祝集团生意兴隆，财源广进，船队规模越来越大。同时也祝董事长赵博士健康长寿，祝船岸全体同仁工作顺利，生活愉快。谢谢大家。Now let me introduce this is Yuanmei captain.
Yeah.
This is Jivan Zhenliang. Now maybe captain on behalf of crew to say some word of celebration. Captain, please.
Okay. To foremost group families, on behalf of officers and crew, happy 60th founding anniversary. And thank you. Smooth sails and fair winds following seas. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
To foremost group families from Yuanmei officers and crew, happy 60th founding anniversary! Hurrah!